Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make some beautiful sparkle star earrings. We're going to start off with 22 gauge wire, and I need to cut 5 inches. I'm going to measure out 1 inch and make a bend there. I'm using some green Czech glass tubes. Take out a few of those. I'm going to add 1 bead to my wire. Using my chain nose pliers, I'm going to pinch the wire down at the end of the bead and bring the wire down. Add another bead. And bring the wire up. I'm going to continue this process until I have 5 points. I'm making a 5-point star. I have my 5 points completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to bend my wire to shape my star. Bend your wire until you get the desired shape of your star that you like. I'm using my fingernails to bend more. I like my angles to be a little bit more pronounced, so I'm just using my fingernails. Now I'm going to take my shorter wire. It's already bent from the bend that we made in the beginning. I'm going to put it together with the tubes matching on the top. Hold my star, and now I'm going to wire wrap around the longer piece. Cutting off my excess. Push down my burr. I'm going to straighten out the top wire. I need to make a loop at the top, so I'm going to bring the wire to the back. Cut. And roll. There we have our beautiful 5-point star. Now let's work on the pearl. Let's put this aside. I need another piece of 22 gauge wire, and I'm going to cut this one about 2 inches. Taking my wire, I need to make an eye pin on the bottom. So I'm going to bring the wire to the back, and I'm going to roll it towards me with my round nose pliers. I'm going to take my eye pin and put it through my pearl star. Sometimes these holes in the pearls can be really tight, so I'm using my pliers to help me pull it out. I need to make another loop at the top here. So I'm going to bend the wire to the back, cut, and roll. Okay, we're almost done. We've got our beautiful glass star done. We've got our pearl with 2 connectors, one on the top, one on the bottom, and we have our earring backing. Now we can put it together. I'm going to open up one of the loops on my star, hang on my glass star at the bottom, and close it down by twisting it. Then I'm going to open up the top loop on my star, twist that up, add my earring, and close it down. And there you have it, so pretty and festive. I hope you'll give these earrings a try. They are so lovely on, perfect for the holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.